Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Jazz horn. This is a straightforward task that you can accomplish with basic tools. First, gather your new horn, a 10mm and 12mm socket wrench, a Phillips head screwdriver, and some pliers. Safety is paramount, so always ensure you have the right equipment and understand each step before you begin. Let's get started on making your horn sound great again. To begin, always disconnect the negative terminal of your car's battery to prevent any electrical issues. The horn on a Honda Jazz is usually located behind the front bumper or within the front wheel arch area. You may need to remove a few screws and clips from the bumper or wheel arch liner to gain clear access. Some models require removing 2 screws and 5 to 7 bolts from the bumper. Carefully pull back the panel to expose the existing horn unit. Once you have located the old horn, carefully unplug its electrical connector. Honda horns often use a single wire, relying on the mounting bolt for the earth connection. Next, use your 12mm socket wrench to unbolt the old horn from its bracket. Now, take your new horn and securely mount it in the same position. If your new horn requires 2 wires, you might need to extend the existing wiring or create a new earth connection to the chassis. With the new horn securely in place, connect its wiring. If your new horn came with a relay, follow its specific wiring diagram for optimal performance. Once all connections are firm, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Now, it's time for the moment of truth. Test your new horn to ensure it sounds as expected. Finally, carefully reattach the bumper or wheel arch liner, securing all screws and clips. You've successfully replaced your Honda Jazz horn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.